Chapter 5 Formatting in MS Word. In the previous chapter, you have studied about the basics of MS Word. In this chapter, we will learn about the editing features which can be used in Word. When you change the appearance of the document to make it look attractive, it is known as formatting. By using the Home tab, we can apply the formatting effects. It consists of font formatting commands, paragraph options, text style commands, copying and moving commands, finding, replacing, and selecting commands. Changing font type. When the character of specific size and design are used for typing, they are called the fonts. When we open Word, the font text appears in Calibri body with 11-point size by default. The given steps should be followed for changing the type of the font. Step 1. Select the text and click on the Home tab. Step 2. Select the drop-down arrow next to the font box in the font group. A list of fonts will appear. Step 3. Select the desired font from the displayed font list. Now, observe the change in the font of the selected text. Applying bold, italic, and underline effects. For emphasizing the text and catching the reader's attention, the font style options like boldface, italic, and underline are used. Bold. It is used for making the selected word darker than the rest of the text. For example, bold. Italic. It emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right. For example, italic. Underline. It is used for emphasizing the text by placing a line under it. A word or sentence can be underlined along with spaces. For example, underline. For applying any font style effects, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the button B or I or U in the font group on the Home tab. A variety of formatting options are available which can be selected from the font dialog box on the Home tab. In the font group, click on the font dialog box launcher. Fact bit. On selecting the text, a small pop-up window appears which has the basic formatting command buttons. Smart bit. Shortcut keys. Bold, Ctrl+B, italic, Ctrl+I, underline, Ctrl+U. Changing text color. For making the document look attractive, the color of the text can be changed. To change the text color, follow the steps given. Step 1. Select the text and click on Home tab. Step 2. Select the drop-down arrow next to Font Color button on the Home tab. Step 3. From the displayed font color menu, choose the desired color. Changing text case. The case of the existing text can be changed without retyping it in MS Word. For doing this, select the text and choose the Change Case option present in the font group. 5 types of case conversions are available. Sentence case. It capitalizes the first letter of the selected sentence. Lowercase. It converts the selected text to lowercase. Uppercase. It converts the selected text to uppercase. Capitalize each word. It changes the first character of each word to uppercase. Toggle case. It converts the case of every selected character in reverse manner. Like the capital letter will be converted into lowercase and vice versa. The given steps can be followed for changing the text case. Step 1. Choose the text. Click on Change Case button in the font group on the Home tab. Step 2. Choose the case and observe the changes in the case of text. Changing text alignment. The positioning of text on the page is known as text alignment. Before typing, we should always set the alignment. We can change the alignment of the text after typing the whole document also. There are 4 types of alignment. Align left. The selected text is placed towards the left margin. By default, the text is aligned to left margin. Center. The text is set in center of the left and right margins. It is mostly used for headings and titles. Align right. The selected text is aligned towards right margin. It is often used for placing dates or reference in document. Justify. The text is placed evenly between left and right margins. It is used for designing newspapers, magazines, books, etc. The given steps can be followed for aligning the text. Step 1. Choose the text. Step 2. Click on any desired alignment button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Observe the changes in the alignment. Bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are used to depict the items of a list. Bullets are used for those listed items which have no particular order of appearance. Numbers or letters are used when listed items follow some order of appearance. To create a bulleted list, step 1. Select the lines of the text to which the bullet is to be applied. Step 2. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the Bullets button. Step 3. You can change the bullet symbol by clicking the Bullets arrow and making selection from the Bullets gallery. To create a numbered list, step 1. Select the lines of text. Step 2. On the Home tab in the paragraph group, click the Numbering button. Step 3. You can change the number style by clicking the Numbering arrow and making a selection from the Numbering gallery. To remove bullets or numbers from a list, step 1. Select the lines of text from which you want to remove bullets or numbers. Step 2. Do one of the following. A. To remove bullets, click the Bullets arrow and select None from the Bullet library. B. To remove numbers, click the Numbering arrow and select None from the Numbering library. Lesson sum up. Making changes in the document to make it look attractive is called formatting. Fonts are the characters of specific size and design used for typing the text. To make the selected word darker than rest of the text, we use the bold option. To emphasize the text by slanting it to right, we use italic effect. Underline effect places a line under the selected text. Positioning the text on the page is known as alignment. Bullets are used for listed items which have no particular order of appearance.